This week we'll explore the fact that distance equals rate times time. This gives us the relationship between the time traveled, the rate of speed, and how far we cover. It can be a little confusing though to figure out how you solve for one missing component when you know the other two. This circle will give us an easy way to relate distance, rate, and time. It's broken up into three pieces: distance on top, rate and time on the bottom. The way this circle works is if two values are next to each other, we multiply them. And if one value is on top of the line separating the middle of the circle and one on the bottom, we divide. So let's take a look at how we would apply this circle. You're traveling to a conference with your colleagues. If you travel 65 miles an hour on a highway for 4 hours to get to the conference, how far away is it? Keep in mind the distance is rate, 65 miles an hour, times 4 hours. These two numbers are next to each other in the circle, so they are multiplied. 65 times 4 is 260 miles. What if we know a transplant team has 2 hours to get a specimen to the facility for transport? They must cover 100 miles. What rate of speed must they travel at? Keep in mind, distance goes on the top of the circle, rate, and then time, 2 hours. We have one number on top of the division line, one number on bottom, which means these two are divided, and they must travel 50 miles per hour. So consider using this handy circle to help you decide if we're multiplying or dividing. Distance on top, rate, and time on the bottom. Next to each other, multiply. On top, on bottom, divide.